Acceleration. The rate of change of velocity with respect to time is called the acceleration. Acceleration equal to change in velocity upon my time taken. And this change in velocity is can be written as v2 minus v1 upon my v2 minus v1 upon my t2 minus t1. If acceleration positive, then the speed of the particle decreases, or acceleration in negative direction. Acceleration is a vector quantity and it is in the direction of motion of the body. In the direction of motion of body. And unit meter per second square. Now, अब मेन क्वेश्चन क्या है कि इज नेगेटिव एक्सीलरेशन मींस स्पीड ऑफ द बॉडी डिक्रीजेज. क्या नेगेटिव एक्सीलरेशन का मीनिंग है कि हर स्पीड बॉडी की डिक्रीज ही होगी? द नेगेटिव साइन ये नहीं बता रहा है कि पार्टिकल की स्पीड इंक्रीज हो गया डिक्रीज. राइट. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हम एक बॉडी इज थ्रो करें वर्टिकली अपवर्ड along the positive y direction, then acceleration will act vertically downward, or value of acceleration is negative. So for particle moving vertically downward, g is negative, but its speed increases. डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में g की वैल्यू नेगेटिव है, बट स्पीड क्या होगी? इंक्रीज. अगर पार्टिकल अप जा रहा है तो g की वैल्यू नेगेटिव, बट स्पीड ऑफ द पार्टिकल डिक्रीजेज. And at the highest point, the velocity is zero, but acceleration is not equal to zero, and acceleration equal to g. At the highest point, acceleration equal to g. Average acceleration, the rate of change of velocity during a time interval, is called the average acceleration. And average acceleration equal to dv upon dt, and this dv upon dt equal to v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1. This is the average acceleration. Now, instantaneous acceleration. The acceleration at any instant of time during a journey. अगर मान लो हम किसी को travel कर रहे हैं from one point A to point B, and if we measure the speed or acceleration at any instant of time, then that is known as the instantaneous acceleration. And the total change in velocity upon my time interval from A to B, that is known as the average acceleration. It means the limited value of acceleration is known as the instantaneous acceleration. Limited value means when time approaches to zero, then this time approaches to zero, and in this time interval, the change in velocity delta v upon delta t, that is equal to dv upon dt. This dv upon dt is known as the instantaneous acceleration. जबकि dv delta v upon delta t, this is known as the average acceleration. Average acceleration remains constant during the journey or during this time interval. जबकि instantaneous acceleration may be any value 0 to maxima or maxima to 0, because we measure instantaneous acceleration at any instant of time. The equation of motion. First, speed time relation v equal to u plus at. Second, distance time relation s equal to ut plus half at square. Third, v square equal to u square by 2as. This is called the speed position relation. And distance in ns second is given by s equal to u plus a by 2 2n minus 1. Derivation we will discuss in next video. अब इस पर बेस्ड कुछ MCQ क्वेश्चन हम डिस्कस करते हैं. फर्स्ट, a car X start from rest and with speed 2 meter per second square. What is velocity of the body of the car after 5 seconds? Formula v equal to u plus at. Car start from rest, u0, a2 time 5. Answer is 10 meter per second. So the correct option is first. Person start from rest, u equal to 0, and accelerate with speed 2 meter per second square. The acceleration is 2 meter per second square. but the distance covered by the person in time t equal to 5 seconds. Now formula S equal to ut plus half at square. The value of u0 plus half a2 in time is 5 and 5 square. 2 cancel out. The square of 5 is 25. So 25 meter is the correct option. Distance covered by the person is 25 meter. Now question number third. The velocity of train increases from 20 kilometer per hour to 60 kilometer per hour. U 20 kilometer per hour and V 60 kilometer per hour and the time is 4 hours. The distance traveled by the train. So first of all, we find the value of acceleration by using first equation. 60 equal to 20 plus a into 4. 60 minus 20 equal to 4a. The value of 4a equal to 40 and a equal to 10 meter per second square. Now to calculate distance, we use equation s equal to ut plus half at square. U 20 times 4 plus half a 10 into time is 4 hours, 4 square. This is 5, a 80 plus 4 4 is 16, 16 5 is 80, that is equal to 160 kilometers. So distance covered by the person is 160 kilometers. So correct option is A.